you go. What are you doing over here? Come in. Come in here. Come in. What are you doing? You're supposed to eat. Smudge. Go eat. Smudge. What are you doing? Come eat your food. Sully. Come here, sweetie. You're all piggy. You have food on your eye. Apollo, what is that? You have food on your eyeball. Goodness. Oh, goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing? Come here. Oh, Savannah, what do you have on your mouth? Look at you. Look at your face. Oh my goodness. Oh, what are you doing? Athena. Athena, what are you doing, big girl? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Good boy, Sully. Go potty on the potty pad. Good job. Good job. Apollo. Apollo. Sully, let me see your face. Come over here. You got food all over your face. You got food all over your face. What are you doing, Savannah? What are you doing, Apollo? What? 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 Did you eat? What are you doing, Smudge? What are you doing, Smudge? Go eat your food. Go eat your food. Smudge. Go eat your food. Savannah, come on. There you are, big girl. What are you doing, big girl? Oh, goodness. Smudge. Come here, Smudge. There you are. Smudge. What are you doing? Oh, come on. There you are. Smudge. Whoop. Are you too fat? Come on. Come on. Go eat. Good girl. You better go get some. Everyone's gonna eat. Yeah. Everybody's eating. Savannah. Hey, Smudge. Go eat. You're so fat. Yeah. There's the little piggies. Yeah. And that's Apollo doing the splits when he eats. Apollo, you doing the splits? Huh? You doing the splits? What are you doing, Smudge? Huh? What are you doing, Smudge? Huh? You want to go eat? You want your mama's? You can't have her. No. No. You're a good girl. You're a sweet girl. Apollo, you have food all over your back. Hey. Apollo, what are you doing? You got food everywhere. What are you doing? Huh? You got food everywhere. Huh? You got food everywhere? You got good stuff? You feel good? Oh.